What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy. And if you've been watching Destination Delicious for a while, you know we love the sweets. And we have griddled some amazing sweet treats, from cookie ice cream sandwiches in Idaho.
Oh, yeah.
We made some amazing Huckleberry Pop-Tarts in Montana.
Those were fantastic.
One of my other
we made
favorites.
Peanut butter Chex bars, too.
Yes, we made those. That was in Texas. We made the strawberry shortcake stacker in Colorado. So we love the sweets, we love to bake, but what we haven't done yet is fired up the griddle and the Leggero until today. And so I'm going to be making a yummy, sweet, warm treat, and I'm going to be making a hot apple crisp.
So let's go fire up the Blackstones.
So our apple crisp is actually going to be baked in our skillet in the Leggero oven. But first, apples are going down.
On a hot griddle.
On a hot griddle. Now that we have our apples down, I'm going to add in some butter and let that melt. And as it melts, we will just mix it in with all of our apples. We've had our apples on the griddle for about 5 minutes. Now we're gonna add our cinnamon and brown sugar. So our apples are ready. What we're gonna do, we've had our skillet heating up here in the Leggero. I'm going to pull it out and add our apples right into those very warm sticks. We have our apples over here in our skillet. Look how amazing that already looks. What we need to do quickly is make our topping, put it on our apples, and get it in the Leggero. For our topping, we are gonna start with some butter. I've got 5 tablespoons. We are gonna add in some flour, brown sugar, a sprinkle of salt, and oats. We need to get this all mixed in together. It's okay if it's chunky, but we definitely wanna spread that butter out and get all of this nicely blended. And our topping is nice and mixed up well. We are going to just sprinkle it right on top of our apples and make sure we spread it out evenly. Last thing we do is sprinkle a bit of cinnamon on top, and we are ready to put it into the Leggero. All right, well, this is really exciting because normally when you cook an apple crisp, bake an apple crisp, it takes like 30 to 40 minutes in an oven. This is ready to pull out and it's been 10 minutes. It cooks so fast in the Leggero.
Oh, wow. Baby.
Oh my goodness. This looks amazing. It smells
so good.
Absolutely delicious. The only way to eat apple crisp is with vanilla ice cream. So we do have some of that ready.
Local creamery ice cream.
Absolutely, the best. Love this. Oh my gosh, look at that. And a little bit of cinnamon for garnish.
Anytime is a good time for dessert.
Absolutely. Oh my goodness, we haven't even had...
Including right now.
Right now is the best time because it's hot, warm, fresh, and smells oh so good.
Oh my goodness. Here we go.
Let's try this.
It is so
Wow.
good.
I just got like a really good crispy cinnamon brown sugar bite with the apples are so soft. That crumb topping adds the texture.
Crispiness.
The ice cream. Just, what do they say? The chef's kiss.
Yeah. This is heaven in a bowl as far as I'm concerned.
So good. I wish you could taste it through the video because it is so good.
Thank you all for watching. We really appreciate it. Check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Betty, Bruce, Nate, CJ, Todd, Taylor, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.